Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Google Workspace subscription. Whether you're switching to a different service or simply no longer need the features, this process will help you end your subscription properly and avoid future charges. First, open your web browser and head to google.com. In the search bar, type Google Admin Console and click on the first official link that takes you to admin.google.com. This is the central hub where all your workspace management happens, so it's essential to access it from the correct URL to ensure you're working with the right tools. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Google Workspace Administrator account credentials. Make sure you're using an admin account, as regular user accounts won't have access to billing and subscription settings. After signing in, you'll land inside the admin console, which gives you full control over your workspace settings. Now look to the left side menu and click on Billing. This section houses all your payment and subscription information. From here, click on your subscriptions to see a list of all the active services tied to your account. This is where you'll find everything you're currently paying for under Google Workspace. Locate your active Google Workspace subscription from the list and click on its name. This will open up the plan details showing you what you're subscribed to and how much you're being charged. Next, click on the three dots or look for a button labeled Actions next to the plan name. This will bring up a menu with several options. From that menu, click Cancel Subscription. A pop-up window will appear with important information about what happens next. Read this carefully, as it may include warnings about losing access to data or services once the cancellation takes effect. If prompted, select a reason for canceling, then click Cancel My Subscription or Continue to confirm your decision. Finally, wait for a confirmation message to appear on the screen. Google will also send you an email with details about when your cancellation will officially take effect and any steps you may need to take to preserve your data before access ends. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.